What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? No slowdown. No warning, no time to prepare. One moment, the planet rotates normally. The next, it freezes completely. Right now, Earth spins at over 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator, faster than a jet. We don't feel it because everything moves together. The ground, the oceans, the air, even you. But if the planet stopped instantly, everything on the surface would keep moving. In the first second, the crust freezes, but cities, forests, oceans, and people continue forward at incredible speed. Buildings tear apart, bridges collapse, and entire cities are obliterated almost instantly. Look at the chaos unfold. Skyscrapers would shear, cars would fly off streets, and anything not anchored would be swept away. The atmosphere wouldn't stop either. Air keeps racing around the planet, creating winds faster than any hurricane ever recorded. Trees would uproot, streets would vanish under a torrent of flying debris, and even mountains would shake under the force of unstoppable motion. Then the oceans surge. Water has momentum and keeps moving. Massive walls of water race across continents, creating planet-wide megatsunamis. Coastal cities disappear first, then inland cities. Then entire regions are flooded. Imagine a wave taller than Mount Everest racing toward you. That's what Earth would face. Once the initial chaos slows, a deeper transformation begins. Earth isn't perfectly round. It bulges slightly at the equator because of rotation. When spin stops, gravity begins reshaping the planet. Over weeks and months, oceans migrate toward the poles. Water drains from the equator, exposing vast former ocean floors. Two enormous oceans form near the North and South poles. The equator becomes a dry supercontinent, stretching thousands of kilometers across. The world map would look completely alien. Day and night stop cycling normally. One side faces the sun constantly, the other is plunged into endless darkness. The sun-facing side heats relentlessly. Oceans evaporate, clouds thicken, storms never end. The dark side freezes. Ice spreads across oceans and land. Between these extremes is a narrow twilight zone, permanent sunrise on one side, permanent sunset on the other. This becomes the only potentially habitable area on the planet. Life struggles, crops fail, ecosystems collapse. Most animal species die within months. Earth's magnetic field weakens as well. That shield protects us from solar radiation and cosmic storms. Without it, satellites fail, GPS collapses, and communication networks are destroyed. Over years, the atmosphere itself could thin, making radiation even more dangerous. Could humans survive? Only in extreme conditions. Underground shelters, artificial lighting, sealed environments, and indoor farming. Modern civilization ends. Only small, isolated groups of humans could continue. And yet, Earth can't just stop spinning. The energy required is beyond anything known in nature. No asteroid, no cosmic force could do this instantly. But thinking about it shows how delicate the balance of life really is. Rotation, gravity, the magnetic field, and distance from the sun all are perfectly aligned to allow life. Right now, the ground beneath your feet is moving incredibly fast. And that invisible motion is why oceans stay in place. Days exist, and life survives at all.